In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a withdrawal method in Deel. If you're getting paid through Deel, setting up your preferred withdrawal method ensures your funds arrive where and how you want them. I'll walk you through the exact path in the dashboard and share a few quick tips so you can choose the option that best fits your needs. Start on your Deel dashboard. From here, look for the Finance section in the main navigation. Click Finance, then select Withdrawal Methods. This is the hub where all your payout options live. If you've never added one before, this page may be empty or show a prompt to set up your first method. If you've already got something saved, you'll see it listed here, which is helpful if you're comparing or planning to switch later. Next, click the Add Method button. This starts the setup flow and opens the list of supported options for your region and account. It's usually a prominent button on the page, and clicking it simply tells Deel you want to add a new way to receive your money. Now, choose your method type. You'll see common choices like bank transfer, PayPal, and digital currency, among others. A quick overview can help you decide. Bank transfers are a reliable, widely used option and are ideal if you want funds deposited directly into a personal or business bank account. They're straightforward and typically support local currencies, but processing times and fees can vary by country and bank. PayPal is convenient if you prefer keeping payouts in a digital wallet or if you move funds between platforms frequently. It can be quick, and it's great for people who already use PayPal for other transactions. Just remember, PayPal's own fees and currency conversion rules may apply. Digital currency options can offer faster settlement windows, especially for international transfers, and may provide more control over how you move funds afterward. Keep in mind that rates, network fees, and regional availability can affect your experience, so choose this if you're comfortable managing digital assets. As you choose, consider a few best practices. Match the method to the currency you're paid in when possible to reduce conversion fees. Check any limits or eligibility in your country. Make sure the account you plan to use is in your own name and is active, which helps avoid delays. That's it for the selection process. To recap, from your Deel dashboard, go to Finance, open Withdrawal Methods, click Add Method, and pick the method type that fits your workflow. Deel will guide you through the remaining on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to receive payments the way that works best for you.